Have you ever feel that you don't have anything to wear or there's no budget for shopping? Or you have no idea how to mix and match work? Come. Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn how to upgrade your white t-shirt. Ooh, cool. Leather jacket, but it's great. Yeah, I like it. I like the style. But actually it's hot. It's summer. It's leather jacket. But anyway, old fashion. Yeah. And the shoes. And the bag. Cozy. Worker's jacket and white. It's okay. The hat and the tote bag. Okay. Nice. So you can combine t-shirt with a summer dress and jeans and then flat shoes. Oh, actually, picnic. Satin skirt and prints and white t-shirt combo. But I think I need a bag. Yes. Classy. You can combine white t-shirt and a blazer with black jeans or blue jeans. It's fine. So wearing a white t-shirt and basic denim with details can also be great. Then you can also add oversized blazer, white can never go wrong. Nice. And a bag. So there you have it. 7, 8 upgraded white t-shirt style. See you in the next video. Bye.